Welcome everyone. My name is Alexis de la Tour du Pin and I'm the Executive Director of the MSc in Sustainability Transformation. Do you remember how sustainability used to be an afterthought, almost like a bonus track? That was the case with corporations. I remember it quite well, having worked in the CSR team of a large company. It was also the case with politics, where sustainability would always be addressed last. And finally, let's be honest, it was the case in our daily lives, where sustainability would not be practiced as often as it would be preached. However, recent global events and scientific research have fundamentally changed perceptions around sustainability. Persistent inequalities, climate change, food insecurity, biodiversity loss. Our systems are no longer sustainable enough to guarantee environmental protection, healthy growth, and social justice. We have collectively come to the conclusion that we may be facing the greatest challenge in modern history, with the very survival of our civilizations at stake. This no longer calls for a transition, but for a full transformation, with sustainability moving to the core of our lives, businesses, societies, and more generally our mindsets. The only question is how. How do we balance shift and shock in order for the sustainability transformation to be deep enough and to happen fast enough? For meaningful transformation to occur, we first need to grow talents who can grasp and analyze the complexity of the stakes at hand to build a holistic vision. Talents who can develop the creativity to imagine, promote, and implement new solutions for today's sustainability challenges. These talents, these sustainability transformers, if you will, are almost non-existent today, yet they are a dire necessity. This is why at ESSEC Business School, we have designed the MSc in Sustainability Transformation. Taught on our France campus in the Greater Paris area, it leverages the strength of a top management school to equip you with the knowledge, tools, and network to transform organizations towards a more sustainable world. Through a blend of academic courses and experiential learning, you will grow sustainability management skills applied to finance, marketing, accounting, data management, and so on. But you will also specialize through one of our multiple majors, such as circular economy, food transition, or inclusiveness and diversity. The goal of this curriculum is to turn you into the best possible generalist with all-around sustainability transformation skills, while allowing you through a major to deep dive into a specific area and add an expertise to your resume. In line with ESSEC's learning by doing approach, you will apply what you've learned through tailored business cases with multiple companies, from global giants that are starting the sustainability transformation to innovative scale-ups or NGOs that are leading the way. You will go through learning expeditions on iconic places and campuses for you to live an on-the-ground experience of sustainability. You will be immersed in the latest sustainability developments through various thematic courses, for instance on social and environmental regulation or on clean tech. Finally, the program will conclude with an internship or an academic thesis. This holistic experience will prepare you for a growing array of careers related to sustainability, with roles such as consultant in specialized consultancies or within new sustainability departments of larger consulting firms. CSR manager within international or local organizations, whether they be businesses, NGOs, or public administration. Specialized project manager on topics such as carbon emissions, circular economy, or the design of eco-products. Or more traditional roles, such as marketing manager or financial analyst, to which you'd want to add a sustainability layer. Ready to make your mark and create meaningful change through a career in sustainability? Join us.